Alright, boys and girls, hold on to your hats because I'm about to explain Project 3, the NBA playoff bracket. Alright. So, this is what you guys are going to make. It is a table showcasing the 2020 NBA playoffs, the entire bracket. You have the first round, the conference semifinals, the conference finals, the NBA finals, and then the eventual champion. Now, the NBA playoffs are still going on right now, so right now is the conference finals. So you're going to have to predict from the conference finals on. All right, so let me show you where you're going to get your information from. So you're going to get your information from ESPN.com. I'm going to include a link to this in the assignment. So this is the playoff bracket on ESPN.com. And you'll see that right now we're in the conference finals. Miami has a 2-1 lead on Boston as of when I'm making this video. The Lakers have a 2-0 lead on Denver. But it looks like the Nuggets have a 20-point lead in the fourth, so they might cut it to 2-1 there. All right. Anyway, so you're going to predict the conference finals and then the NBA finals and come up with the NBA champ. All right. So, of course, I picked, the Heat to beat Celtics, Lakers to beat the Denver Nuggets, Heat to beat the Lakers, and the Heat to be the champs. Now, this looks like it might be a little complicated to you guys, but don't worry. It's not that bad. I'm going to explain what the rows are and everything for you guys. But anyway, so you're going to be using a lot of row spans and to do this. Like you'll see the Milwaukee Bucks here and the Orlando Magic. So these are just regular rows. When you get to this is going to span 2 rows, right? This spans 2 rows, this spans 2 rows. When you get to this one, you're spanning 4 rows. When you get to this one, you're spanning 8, and when you get to this one, you're spanning 16. Alright, so you're going to use row spans for those. Now, I'm going to show you what the rows are, so pay attention. Alright, so first I'm going to show you what row 1 is. This is the first row. Row 1, and pretty simple, it's just one regular row. They're going to be they're spanning columns. So they're spanning, these guys are going to be spanning columns. See how they stretch over the ranking, the team, and the number of games. So like each one of these spans how many? 3 columns. All right. Okay. Oh yeah. One other thing. All the cells that have a background color, like the first row, and all of these rankings, anything with a background color, those are THs. All right, and then all the white cells are TDs. So just so you know, anything with a background color is a TH. Anything that has a white background is a TD. All right, so you saw this was the first row. Let me show you the second row. So here comes the second row. This is the second row, and here's how you know. You look at the top of all of these table cells. The top of each of them lines up. So they're all in the same row. They just have different row spans. But these are all in the same row. Each one of these is going to be in the same row, one after the other. So that is the second row. Let me show you the third row. Try to guess what the third row is before I put it in there. Oh wait, never mind. So there's the third row. You'll notice the top of these 3 cells, that's it. There's only these 3. Nothing else lines up with them. So that's the third row. So let me show you the fourth row. All right. So you see all of these cells, their tops all line up. That's the fourth row. And let me show you the fifth row. Here's the fifth row. That's all. Nothing else lines up. That's the fifth row. And this is the last row I'm going to show you guys, so you should get the gist of it by now. Here is the sixth row. So you'll see all of these cells line up. So this is the 6th row. And it goes on. You'll see like this would be the 7th. And then here you'd be the 8th. See if you can even highlight with your mouse. You see what the 8th is. Okay. Anyway, so you keep going and you do that. And anyway, this is a good assignment to get you to learn how to use, you know, row spans and call spans. All right. Notice everything is styled beautifully. Took me a minute, but I made a style sheet that does this lovely. And you're going to have a link. You're going to, you know, put a link into the top of your page. That'll be in the assignment page as well. So if yours should look exactly like this, you know, the correct. So put everything in this exact order so that, you know, the right teams get eliminated. Like I have this cell is styled to be eliminated, not the Bucks. All right. Anyway, so you want everything to be in this order, all set up, and it should look pretty good. Don't forget to look at the rubric to know what you're getting points for. All right. Okay. That is it.